Hey everybody. So I've just done this makeup look as a tutorial and it's now been uploaded on my channel. Um I just wanted to come on and show you it um like this as well without it being a makeup video. Because I noticed when I put it up on my channel, or well before I did anyway. I mean I knew I was gonna put it on my channel anyway, but before I did, I noticed if I wasn't the best. Um, I should have blended it out a bit more, but yeah, I just wanted to show you as well how it looks at this moment in time, um, without it being a makeup tutorial. Um, I really maybe haven't done the best of jobs with it, but I just wanted to try something new. And you know, just try and makeup look out different to what I normally would maybe have done. I don't think I've ever done an eye look like this before. So yeah, I just thought I'd try and do an eye look differently. Yeah. Okay, everybody, I just thought I would come on and show it like this. Okay, I don't know the reason for this, really, but just felt like I needed to come on and show you it like this. Because I was a bit worried that people wasn't gonna like it, um, being a tutorial, but as I've just explained, the pinks and the corners are not the best. But yeah, I hope you like this makeup look anyway. And the tutorial that I've uploaded for it, I hope you like that as well. Thank you. Bye.